Well, here's how I repaired my filler neck here. You know, the thing goes from the, when you go get gas, it was leaking going down to the gas tank. This is how I repaired it. I took the whole thing out, you know, from up there. Took the 3 bolts out, and I undid it over here. Pulled the old hoses out, and I spliced in with new hose right here. One's 1.5 inches for the gas there, and the other one's 3/4 for the vent. And got them at O'Reilly's. I think the clamps and the hoses and everything was $23. And what I did was I just cut off a chunk. I'll show you the pieces I cut off. Right here. You can see the big rust hole that was in it. I cut probably 8 inches off. I started repairing it, but this hole here was underneath this plate that held the 2 lines together. Right there. It was brazed on there, as you can see. And I cut off about 8 inches of the vent pipe. It was also bad. And I cut off a little section there to splice the 2 together up in there. And I don't know, didn't take too long. I cut this piece off about right there, put it back up in there, and then I hooked the hoses up. Figured out what length. I cut this gas line hose off with a saw to get the right length. And this here, you can just cut it with about anything. It don't have no wire in it. It's not real heavy duty. It's just a vent. Put clamp air, and clamp air. You know, 4 clamps. And $23. I fixed it. It's a 01 Ford Excursion, and that's how I repaired it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.